Welcome to the Total Super Yacht Overview video. During this video, we will show you just a few modules to help you with enjoying your free trial of Total Super Yacht. First, let's have a look at how to navigate the system. Clicking the chevron in the upper left corner will open and close the navigation panel. Simply clicking a tab will open that page. To display the sub-tabs, click on the drop-down arrow. Tabs that are part of the same group are color-coded for easy reference. The Yacht Profile page is where all the vessel particulars are located. This information is used throughout the system, eliminating the need to re-enter the same information. The Departments page allows you to create vessel-specific departments. And the Categories page is where you create categories and assign them to a specific department. Use the Positions page to create vessel-specific position names that crew members can then be linked to. And on the Decks page, you can create custom deck names specific to your vessel. These names are used throughout the system to identify the location of equipment, inventory, tasks, and faults. The Users page is where you can add crew members to the system. Clicking the Add New User button allows you to enter their details as well as identify the level of access they will have. Once added, the system will automatically send them a welcome email with their credentials and the URL to log into. This allows them to add their own crew details, bank details, medical details, and their crew certificates before they even step on board the yacht. Next is adding work lists to the system. In the Work Lists tab, you can create specific work lists and assign them to specific departments. Work lists allow you to easily group tasks together. The All Checklists module houses all the checklists that have been created for the vessel. There are 4 sections to the page. The Published section is where published checklists are located. They are divided into ISM and general lists. The Emergency section is where published emergency checklists are located. The Draft section is where all checklists are located prior to them being published. Their status will be either draft or in review, and they are divided into ISM and general lists. And the Add New page, where checklists are created. It is important to note that a checklist needs to be published before it is visible on the iPad app. On the calendar, you can schedule reoccurring checklists and you can add reminder notes. The renewal dates of the vessel certificates and crew certificates are also displayed along with the risk assessments revision dates and the non-conformity estimated completion dates. Tasks are divided into general or ISM tasks and displayed in their respective pages. Selecting a row will display who reported it, who completed it, and any details in the comment boxes. Tasks are added to the list via the Add New Task page or directly from the iPad. Once a task is complete and verified, it will be removed from the task list and added to the respective day log. All checklists and procedures that are completed on the iPad app are converted to a PDF and saved in the respective history pages. From either the General Tasks or the ISM task pages, you can assign any task to the Safety Meeting agenda by clicking on this icon. When you're ready to discuss the task at the safety meeting, simply click the checkbox in the Safety Meeting agenda page and press Submit. In the safety meeting, the tasks will populate the Items Raised During Meeting section. If you select the person's name that completed the task here, it will also mark the task as complete in the respective task list pages. Submitting the safety meeting will automatically convert it to a PDF and save it to the safety meeting reports. On the Equipment list page, equipment is automatically added to the respective planned maintenance pages when you check either or both of these checkboxes. Use the Planned Maintenance feature to schedule the equipment service periods by clicking on the cross in the relevant cell. Then set the schedule and add the tasks for that service. To complete the service, click on the relevant cell and check each task as being complete or not. You can add photos and comments here. When the service is complete, fill in these details and click Done. All records for that service are saved in the History section. You can enter the spare parts that you used here and remove the quantities from the inventory when finished. Monthly maintenance reports automatically generate on the 1st of each month and are saved as a PDF in the Reports page. To complete a drill report, just click on the relevant month for the drill. This will open the Drill Reports page. When you have finished entering the details, click Submit. The record will now be ticked as being complete, and the report will be automatically converted to a PDF and saved on the Drill Reports page. Open the PDF by clicking on the tick. Vessel certificates can be scheduled to send out a reminder email when revalidation or renewal is due. When you have renewed the certificate, simply click on the relevant record and select your name and the completed date to mark the task as complete. To email the certificate as an attachment directly to an agent, click this icon. When adding a manual to the system, you can set it as a required reading for all crew or for only crew in a specific department. This manual will now be added to the required reading section for all crew as part of their familiarization requirements. To set the required documents for each crew member, first select their name, then select the required certificates that they need to hold. Then you can add which familiarizations they need to complete and what employment forms they need to submit. Once this is complete, the crew member will see these in their own profile when they log in. In the crew list section, you can change the onboard status of a crew member and review the leave calendar for each crew member. Create a crew list, save the crew list history, and even see the onboard status of each crew member along with when they left for the day or returned in the evening by using our In/Outboard on the iPad app. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a full demonstration of the system, please contact us at admin@superyachtos.com.